Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a place in the Airbnb application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Where to button at the top of the page. And then at the top, click on the Stays button. And under the Where to section, click on the Search Destinations button. And then just type in the destination that you have in mind. And then just select the length of your trip. And then lastly, just select the guests arriving with you. And then just click on the search button, and as you can see, there's a map popping up, as well as there's a section where you can find all the available Airbnbs. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.